Conditions very iffy, but they're going anyway.
And Locker having another look. Locker getting the power on again. He's already done it to him once and he does it again. Ian Locker. Oh my goodness me. McGuinness, Archibald, Locker and Steve on board with Locker, and Locker looking to get past Adrian Archibald. Has got a get past him. He nearly took him out. Hutchinson, well, we saw not such a great start from him as Guy Martin, outrageous, absolutely outrageous, goes through to take the lead.
Now on board with Finnegan, 185, 86, 87 miles per hour along the flying kilo.
Away we go.
This is what it feels like to travel at around 160 miles an hour with the front wheel in the air from Richard Brennan down the Deers lead.
That was Ian Locker.
Lucky Locker comes through on the number 2 bike and gives him a nudge.
A slight gap opening up between 3rd and 4th. This is 2nd, looking back to 3rd. Guy Martin. Well, he's managed to split Farquhar and Locker. And again, really tricky through this technical part of the circuit as Farquhar makes all sorts of shapes as he goes down towards the bomb hole. On board with Guy Martin, the race leader. The left, the right. Oh, that wall was so close. So Guy Martin leads. Will he cap a fairy tale year? Oh! Back wheel of Locker, touch the front wheel of Guy Martin. How they both stayed on, I'll never know. My goodness me, and that's such a fast part of the circuit. was the suspension really being put to their paces here. We're on board with Guy Martin. Such a fast bit of the circuit. This is where it gets really, really bumpy. Here comes Richard Britton. Oh, both wheels in the air. Richard Britton certainly on the juice.
Farquhar and Anstey right up alongside Locker. Oh, that's unbelievable racing. It's Locker who leads still from Anstey. Farquhar third, Britton fourth. Oh, it's fast here, and that's another super move. Out of quarries. Anstey's gone past Locker. Look at Farquhar. He's on the right hand side of the track. Locker's on the left. Oh, Farquhar comes back into the near side, and Farquhar gets second. Anstey's going to win it. Farquhar gets second, and I think it was Britton who got third. What a race at the Ulster Grand Prix.